new car parts. I love new car parts.
What is up, guys? It is your boy Chris back with another video. Now, as you guys saw from the little clip that I showed you in the beginning of this video, I got a new front grille for my car. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that today and take you guys along with me. So like I like to do now, quit the chattering and let's get to the install. Let's go.
All right, y'all, so here's the grille. As you can see, it looks pretty mean. You're gonna be replacing this chrome piece of shit. But yeah, that's the grille right there. Looks pretty sick. Now the only thing is, this mesh wasn't attached, so I gotta go ahead and put that. Put a couple screws in the little spaces to keep it in place. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then take off the front bumper and install this thing. Let's go. All right, so as you can see, the bumper's off. Now I need to go ahead and remove the grille, which, as you can see, you access it from the back. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, so like I said, it just seems like it's a couple of these screws. I have no idea though, but these screws and these clips, and it should come out easy. So let's hope that it's that easy. Boom, big reveal. Grille is completely off. Now it's time to put that one on. Whew. Taking off the old grill is a little hard though, I ain't gonna lie. But let's go ahead and put the new one. All right, so I just got done putting it on. And you know, I'm being honest, it doesn't align perfect, but it fits pretty flush. But it, like, the screws don't align too well. But anyways, with the OEM grill, it comes with 6 bolts. 8 bolts, or screws, sorry. You're only gonna utilize 4 of them, which are these 4 down here. And that's all you're gonna use. But it looks pretty good. It fits pretty good, so that's all that matters. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put this bumper back on now. Quick sneak peek. But I'm not gonna lie again, guys. The fitment isn't the best. So right here, it's not that good. And also, I was struggling a little bit to put it back in here, but it's all good because it's in now, so we ain't worried about that no more. Anyways, I'm gonna finish up bolting it up. I'm gonna take off the plastic off, and then I'm gonna show you guys the front, how it looks.